ABC inventory analysis is a method used to classify a business's stock items into three categories A, B and C, based on their value to the business. In a warehouse, different stocked items, or SKUs, will all have different values in terms of how much money they make the business. One way to differentiate products based on their value is to segment them into categories. A classification items are high important and sometimes business critical. These typically have a high value or are sold in large volumes. B classification items are moderate important. These are typically mid-range in inventory value and demand. C classification items are marginally important. Typically, they have a low inventory value. A class products 80% of the annual inventory value of your items, likely made up of just 20% of your items. B class products 15% of the annual inventory value of your items, likely made up of 30% of your items. C class products 5% of the annual inventory value of your items, likely made up of 50% of your items. A category are those that constrained packs and reordered with a regular frequency. B category packs are ordered with a need basis. C category are those that slow-moving packs and need not be reordered with the same frequency as item A or item B.
Better control over high-value inventory improves availability and reduces losses and costs. Efficiency resulting in more reliable cycle time, improved customer satisfaction. ABC classifications makes sure that the stock turnover ratio is maintained at a comparatively higher level through a systematic control of inventories. The storage expenses are cut down considerably with this ABC classifications. This method helps businesses to maintain control over the costly items which have large amounts of capital invested in them. ABC method makes sure that the stock turnover ratio is maintained at a comparatively higher level through a systematic control of inventories.
Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto, also called 80-20 rule. This principle suggests that 80% of the total output is generated only by 20% of the valuable efforts. A is 20% of items with 80% of total revenue and hence asks for tight control. B is 30% items with 15% revenue. C is 50% of the things with least 5% revenue and hence treated as most liberal.
Why ABC analysis? Business to visualize those areas wherein more profit was expected. End-of-life management. ABC analysis helps a seller to analyze the customer demand for a particular category of product and then manage the stocks accordingly. The maturity and decline period for every product is different. Customer demand, the chances of declination are pushed further. Lesser the market, sooner will it be declined. Negotiation. Category A products sourced, it is understood that 70 to 80% of the money is about to be invested in those suppliers. Negotiation is always a must. Saving more on Category A products can bring more profits to your business. Inventory optimization. Inventory optimization is the most crucial reason BC inventory analysis is preferred by many businesses. Products are also categorized as per their demands amongst the customer base. Strategic pricing. ABC analysis of the inventory also brings in much more value to the company when the prices for the products are set strategically. Demand for a product, the wider will be the chances to increase the rates by the seller. Resource allocation. Process of resource allocation is done. Category A is highly monitored. It is noticed that the product from Category A is not performing well or is no longer desired by the customers. It can be moved to a lower category, i.e., either Category B or Category C. Customer service levels. ABC inventory analysis lets the planner set service levels based on the product classification. This further makes the supply chain smoother, carrying no additional safety stocks.